Hey guys, welcome back to another Dantemon Vlogs. It's your boy Dantemon back at it again. It is too early. It's 8, I'm gonna predict, it's 8 something right now. It's Friday. I have no work. Yeah. So today on my agenda, I have to go to the gym. My friends should be here soon. We're hitting the gym at my local gym at my complex. And I have a haircut appointment. I have to take my sister to school and pick her up. And then I have to head to Target to pick up a gift for one of my students. And if you guys don't know what I mean, I will explain everything when we get to that point. And that's all I really have today. And the days of summer has been feeling long. Um, so throughout the vlog, I'm gonna explain more what I meant about what I'm trying to do with Camcorder Summer, because I feel like I did a terrible explanation last time. Sorry, I just can't stop feeling my teeth. I got them filled yesterday. I got my whole right side like numbed and filled up yesterday, and or a couple days ago. Yeah, a couple days ago, and it just feels kind of weird still. So, yeah, that's what's been going on. Let's enjoy it today. See what the day brings for us. Yeah, she's like, "Where are you going?" My dog is looking at me like, "Where we're going? What the dog doing?" Suki. Hi. Oh my coffee, guys. Alright guys, you guys are hooked up onto the tripod now. I want to make sure this is secured. I don't know if y'all could see. This is like, I can't see. It's terrible lighting. That was someone's dog. I'm just waiting for the homie. This will be pulling on very soon. Actually, let's give him a little call. Let's see. See, we're calling Big Mike. I don't know if y'all can see that. Like, we're calling Big Mike. What's up? Bro, I'm vlogging right now. I just try to get your ETA. Oh, you just got there? Damn. And is she like 10 minutes away? What? She's pulling up. Alright. So, estimate. Alright, estimate time is gonna be 10 minutes, right? From my house. Yeah. Figure 10 minutes, yeah. Alright, I'll see you here in 10. Alright. Alright, guys. They're on their way. They're 10 minutes away. Just gonna chill, relax, drink some of this coffee and water. Let's start with the water. I got some life water. So there's that. You know, I'm just tired, guys. Really tired. Let's see you guys when they're here. Alright, guys. I switched seats because the sun's facing this way, so you see me better. If you guys don't, I don't know. I last time I forgot to. I swear I forgot to. Yeah, I forgot to put my Instagram and my film Instagram, my film account Instagram onto the description and on the screen. So it should be right here somewhere. Dante, when you're editing this, put it there. Just a reminder. So if you guys don't follow my Instagram already, well, this is my personal. If you guys don't follow my film Instagram, oh no, y'all can see that. Oh no, you guys can't see that. Hold on, let me get something. Go check out my post. I announced that I was doing my first ever film, my first real project. Last time I was like, maybe I should do a Batman Beyond, but I wasn't sure. I have the story down, but I wasn't sure what I needed, and I was hesitating because I wanted to be good because so many fans like Batman Beyond, but I don't want to mess this up. And then I chose this, and I wanted to work on other projects too, so I had 3 in mind. I had a Batman Beyond project, a Spider-Man film, and a Star Wars film. So that's 3 films that I wanted to work on, and I couldn't decide anymore. So I made you guys do a poll on my personal Instagram, and all you guys said Spider-Man film. So we're working on a Spider-Man film called Spider-Man Legacy Reborn, and I need to start working on that. So I do want to film behind the scenes episodes for the personal channel, so I will be using the camcorder for my behind the scenes, and I'm gonna have my cameraman Mikey Biggs and whoever is there record that stuff, and then we're gonna have my actual camera working on the film. I already have a storyline to draw. I have a storyline planned out, but I want to revise it and see if it works. So I'm not gonna spoil too much, but go check out that post. It's already there. Hit a like, give us more support. I think eventually I'm gonna start scouting for actors, people who want to play a part in the film. So that's coming up. I'll let you guys know. I will be playing in the film too, as your one and only Spider-Man. You guys don't know, Spider-Man, Batman, and Star Wars I all love, so I want to make films I love too. I do want to make a film based off the games too, you know, Spider-Man, PS4 Spider-Man, PS5 Spider-Man 2, PS4/PS5, Miles Morales, the Spider-Man game. I do want to make like films based on that game, that story too. It's really good. Those stories are really good. Maybe we get to that point, maybe we won't. Alright guys, I'm starting to wake up now. Maybe we should have some of this coffee and it'll wake me up even more. I either go to Starbucks because the Starbucks right there, right around the corner, but I like drinking the double shot energy. The coffee one, I like. They just pulled up, guys. They just pulled up. Look at my bag. You want that? 4 hours gym. I went to the gym 4 times yesterday. I thought that helped me. And then I went to the pool. That's kind of no, guys, look. She's mad because I won't buy her book, 3 of her favorite books. But I said if she wins bowling on Sunday, no, she wants 4. Because she wants 4, and I offered 2 if she beats me in bowling. So let's see what. So let's see the haul. So I bought a birthday card. I didn't know what to get. And then I found the Beyblade X products, guys. So yeah, I gotta do a review on that. I've been waiting 3 months for this, and all I found was Soren Phoenix. I've been trying to look for a drawn sword. She's mad. What's up, guys? So we're on our way to get our haircuts. Before. Ooh. We gotta get the size trim, I gotta get this mullet looking out. We both content creators. Go check out his vlog. Put the link in the description. Yeah, boy. Yep. Wait.
Brandon 1K, yo.
Yeah, Brandon 1K, guys. It's gonna be in the link in the description.
And he's gonna put a pop tag on me, y'all.
Pop tag. And then go follow my Instagrams, my official and my film account. Fuck with it. You gotta do my film account if you guys want to stay updated with the film, because we are gonna start shooting soon. So, yup. If you guys want to be part of the film, you know, message me. We'll get you a role in the film. Ooh. Chick-fil-A's all the way over there. It is so fucking hot, guys. Hey Siri, what is the weather right now?
I don't seem to be able to get your current location.
Damn. Siri, what's the weather?
I don't know where you are.
Bro, what the fuck are we... Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm back. I got the Chick-fil-A. Let's see what I got. I'm turning the car, man. Brandon's still getting his hair cut. It's hot as hell outside. Damn. Man, we still got a couple minutes. We still got a while for the wait for him, so I'm gonna watch a movie. So I got me the grilled chicken nugget combo, the 12-piece with some buffalo sauce and barbecue sauce. I tried this with the I tried the nuggets for the first time a couple days ago. That shit was good with the buffalo sauce. So I'm gonna try mixing the barbecue and buffalo sauce, how it tastes, with some fries. I also put it in the mac and cheese. That shit was pretty good, but I didn't get the mac and cheese this time. And for a bev, you already know I had to get. Your boy always gets the Sunjoy. I love the Sunjoy. So yeah, just waiting for him to get out the haircut and wait for Brandon to get out the cut. And then we're gonna head home. And I don't have anything planned for the rest of the day. Just, you know, gonna do some homework. I'm gonna go to the library that's in my complex and do some homework. Maybe me and Brandon are gonna kick it, just, you know, just talk for a little bit, give some video ideas or something. You know, just relax, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna watch Disney Plus, because I'm gonna munch and watch Disney Plus, guys. Oh shit. Okay. Well, he was in here. I fucked up my Chick-fil-A. I scarfed that shit up and watching Inside Out, because I'm gonna go watch the second one very soon. You already know. Ooh.